Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something truly special for you, a kitchen upgrade that not only enhances functionality but also adds a touch of sophistication to your space. We're talking about the KRAUS Bolden commercial style pull-down faucet. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits that make this faucet a game changer. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The KRAUS Bolden is a commercial-style kitchen faucet that brings professional performance and industrial flair to your home. It features a high-arc open coil spout that makes a statement in any kitchen, while its compact 18-inch height ensures it fits under most cabinets. The Bolden is highly functional, with a pull-down sprayhead that features reach technology for superior maneuverability and an extended range of motion. You can easily reach all around your sink, making cleaning and food prep a breeze. The sprayhead also has a dual-function spray pattern, so you can switch from an aerated stream to a powerful spray with just a touch. Here are some of the key features of the KRAUS Bolden commercial-style pull-down faucet. Design: industrial chic. The Bolden features a striking industrial-style open coil spout that adds a touch of professional flair to your kitchen. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement with their faucet. Compact and functional. Despite its professional look, the Bolden is designed for residential use. Its compact 18-inch height ensures it fits underneath most kitchen cabinets, while the 16-inch retractable hose provides ample reach for all your washing needs. Functionality: dual-function sprayhead. The Bolden's sprayhead offers two spray modes, a splash-free aerated stream for filling pots and pitchers, and a powerful spray for rinsing dishes and washing away stubborn food residue. Ergonomic handle. The single-handle lever control makes it easy to adjust the water temperature and pressure with one hand. Easy installation. The Bolden comes with all the necessary hardware for a quick and easy installation. Durability: high-quality construction. The Bolden is made from solid brass and features a ceramic cartridge for smooth, leak-free operation. Spot-free finish. Available in a variety of spot-free finishes, including stainless steel, matte black, and chrome. The Bolden resists fingerprints and water spots, making it easy to keep clean. Additional features: swivel spout. The spout swivels 360 degrees for added convenience. Lead-free construction. The Bolden is lead-free and compliant with the Safe Drinking Water Act. The KRAUS Bolden commercial-style pull-down faucet is a great choice for homeowners who want a stylish and functional faucet that will make their kitchen look and feel like a professional chef's domain. Here are some additional details about the KRAUS Bolden faucet that you may find helpful. The faucet is made from solid brass and is therefore very durable. The sprayhead is made from ABS plastic and is also very durable. The faucet has a flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute. The faucet comes with all of the hardware you need for installation. KRAUS Bolden commercial-style pull-down faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: style and finish. Functionality. Durability. Ease of use. Warranty. Cons: height. Ultimately, whether the KRAUS Bolden is the right faucet for you depends on your individual needs and budget. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. If you are looking for a stylish and functional faucet that will last for years, the Bolden could be a good option. However, if you are on a tight budget or have a small kitchen, you may want to consider a more affordable or compact alternative. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Bolden faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!